Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about Eneloop batteries. As you can see, that Panasonic is actually the company behind Eneloop batteries, but I've been using these batteries for years. Some of mine are probably getting close to reaching the end of their life cycle, but I mean, I've had these things for like 3, 4, or 5 years. This one in particular, I got this one slightly later. This is their standard pack. I went and paid, I want to say $35 for 8 AA's and maybe like 4 AAA's or something like that. And with these here, I think I bought 4 AA's and 4 AAA's probably a year or so later after I saw how well these just worked. So there are a couple of downfalls with rechargeable batteries. A lot of times devices don't quite recognize their power level the same as standard batteries, but just think about how much money you can save if you can pay $35 and here I am still able to use the majority of the batteries after 4 to 5 years. The savings is just astronomical. Really easy to install. So you can charge different ones at the same time. I wouldn't recommend charging a AA and a AAA. This charges in 2 separate slots. You've got 2 pairs, pair A, pair B. This one charges each one individually, so you can actually place them in this one however you want, because the Pro Series charger charges each cell individually, not the cells as pairs. So you just stick the top in, push the bottom, and you can see it click in. The same charger will also charge the AAAs. So very nice design, and like I said, it's really held up. It's really held up well. Very impressed with them, and would absolutely recommend for anybody that's looking for a good solution to rechargeable batteries. They're so easy to get a hold of, and they're really inexpensive. And like I said, have ran for many cycles for me. Really, these here are supposed to have a little shorter lifespan. I do believe because of their high output. They are supposed to have a few more milliamp hours per battery compared to these, but overall both have been really awesome rechargeable batteries. Integrated wall charger right in the back of them, so it's really easy and simple just to plug it into the wall and then just leave it. The lights will blink, go solid, go off, and you know that the batteries are done. So this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you guys again in the next video.